What's up, people? How are you doing? Been a long time. Quick update for the past 2 weeks because of my house repainting and all those other stuffs. I could not upload much of an exercise videos because my house was a mess, and I couldn't cycle much also because my cycle was broken at that point. But nevertheless, I'm back into my cycling mode now. As you can see, I've taken up a 250 kilometer challenge from 8th August to 21st August. I've already done 46 kilometers, and I might be doing another 20-30 kilometers more. So let us see how it goes. And I picked up a new challenge, as you can see now, trying to ride and explore places in expressway all alone, maintaining social distancing as well. But having another partner like my coach Basu for management of routes, distances, etc. is a very helpful thing, so that you have that extra push or motivation. Sometimes I can't match up to the pace, but that's fine. A good learning that I've got in the past few weeks was that no matter what kind of diet you do, no matter what kind of food you try to intake, as long as you're not on a calorie deficit, things are not going to work out. You can even do away with exercise, but as long as you're not on a calorie deficit and you maintain the deficit, you're not going to lose weight. It's a given fact. Every dietitian is going to tell you in the world that swap this, low fat, all that. But let me tell you, I've been having ghee, I've been having meat, I've been having everything, and from 135 to now I'm touching around 97 now. Hopefully by this month end to next month I should be around 90. So let's see if I can, but I'm not going to put that as a realistic goal, but I want to put it as a proper weight loss, because I don't want these things to keep on coming up and piling up again. But the lesson learned is that you just need to be on calorie deficit. And how do you be on a calorie deficit? Is either you work out more, or you intake quantity is reduced, measure, things like that. And it really helps. You can do that and it really improves things. An interesting dependency which I saw was that we are dependent on coffee, tea and things like that. I just tried to stay away from it for a month, and actually I felt better. But yes, you need that additional push after you get out of bed and things like that. So that's pretty interesting that way. So people can live without coffees as well. Wish I can show you my ride videos. I will be adding some ride videos to this so that you can just also see things. And then probably you can like, share and subscribe as well, and see if I complete my 250 or do I break down. And August 15th, I have another 50 kilometers to do. So let's see how that goes. Alright, see you guys. Over and out.